Masaang lingkod bayan at sa isang mabuting kaibigan, maligayang karawan.
Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
We just want to say happy birthday. Have a great celebration. God bless your family, your friends, and this new year God has given you. Have a great one. Ako po si Joel Pascual.
I just want to bid you happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Have the happiest of birthdays.
This is a fellow Australian just greeting you a happy birthday, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that everyone around you is making it a very special day for you. Full of surprises, full of food. Happy birthday.
This is Mateo Ruccelli. I'd like to greet you a happy birthday to you. I hope to meet you one of these days here in Happy PAA in the Philippines. Take care. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Birthday mo pala? Nako, syempre, isang masaya at isang mataginting na happy birthday sa iyo. At alam ko, meron ka pang mga 50 years more to come. Nararamdaman ko yan. Feeling ko, aabot ka ng mga 100. Oo, ay ganun daw pag mabait ang tao, ha? Umaabot ng ganun kahaba.
Actually, 100.
Pero wag masyadong sobrang bait. Para hindi ka ma-AJ Perez.
Happy birthday. May God bless you with many more happy and blessed birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Alam mong mahal na mahal ka namin. Nandun ko, lalo ako mahal ka. Sa tagal ng pinagsamahan natin, I wish you all the happiness, all the blessings. Nakasama mo naman dahil mabait ka. You have a good heart. And you are well loved. Happy birthday. I wish you continued good health, blessings, success, and happiness, peace of mind, and of course happiness with your apos, your whole family, and that you will have many long and fulfilling years ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday. God bless you. And have a blessed time this year. Happy birthday.